The 19th was Fed Day. Rarely a safe time to trade. So here we are on the 20th, and the market is having rather a nasty follow through from yesterday's Ben Bernanke interview, which he said that he would like to not go on buying crappy bonds forever. He feels the financial industry ought to get its act together and quit expecting the Fed to bail them out every 15 seconds. And surprisingly enough, the financial industry didn't like that. Don't know why that would be. This is an awfully big drop. It's going to be tricky to trade it, despite the gray bar saying it's tradable. The brave of heart probably got short at the opening tick. Doesn't happen to fit our style. Call us cowardly. Well, it's great. Look at it go down. Where do you get out? All right. This wants to get short at 1596, which it would now be short. Certainly not my idea of perfect, but we'll see how it works out. And it's hoping to get 14 points of profit. That must mean 16203 is going to be its stop where it'll be stopped out, its stop loss point, which we have not hit. 1603.5, which we did not get to. It'll be interesting. 1582 is quite a stretch. That would give us 40 points on the day or so. Not undoable, but we haven't been in exactly a prime bear market. You're stopped out now. I guess you're not 1603, but I think you will be. We can't get far enough ahead to get a decent stop loss in. That's no fun. That is a capital protecting stop loss. So much for my guess it would get stopped out. So we'll double check that though. Quite sure that it didn't. Let's double check it if I can ever find my cursor. The high was here. Come here, little devil. 1602.50 and the stop loss was 1603.50, so oh, and now comes the fun part. You're getting down to the black bar, the 2-to-1 exit, and what happens if it starts to collapse and run out of gas here, which it well might. 82.50, 81.75. You're out. That's 14, actually 14 and a half points on the win. That's a heck of a week so far. You've got 11 or 12 on Tuesday, and what was it, 7 on Monday? That's 18 or 19, and 14 I believe it was here. Yeah, 14 here. It's over 30 points. That's quite a week. Okay, now we're going to have that screen redraw episode again as we go to Friday. And we're paused, so here we go. $6.30, here we go. You won't be surprised that we bounced after such a steep drop. Query, how would the market behave if everyone on Capitol Hill were on the Titanic and it sank? Would the market be devastated or overjoyed? If you think that question is easy, take a look at the difference in how the market trades when Congress is in session, poorly, and when Congress is not in session, which the market tends to trade quite nicely and be very happy. Well, looks like we've got a short here. Where was the short? At 82.25, and he's looking for 70.75. If nothing bad gets in the way. Whoop, whoop. Touched it. Go through it. A lot of buying coming in there. I would probably just pick a point and not worry about getting the last half point there. And the aggressive players might have gone ahead and bought right here as this thing came up here, which is 1577 and a half-ish. And now they're up 7. Oops, oops. You're going to buy. Here's the place to buy. Not because it's guaranteed, but just because it's a two-stepper and you got some idea of where you might go. Oh, what are we looking at? You might get to 95 on it, but you won't, obviously, with this bar selling off. So that makes a successful day wherever down here you actually did get out. And a big day over here. And a couple of pretty good days up there, so you're up 30, 40 points on the week. That is definitely a good week. Not every week is going to be that good. It doesn't happen. So be happy.